Under the bright open sky, children's laughter fills the vibrant school playground. Ali and Sara share smiles and a toy car, their innocent joy radiating in the cheerful atmosphere. Upbeat music underscores the scene, enhancing the carefree atmosphere. Inside the bustling classroom, Sara leans in close to Lena, her eyes gleaming with mischief. "Did you see what he was wearing?" Sara whispers, casting a fleeting glance towards Ali. Lena erupts in a fit of giggles, her hand flying to her mouth to stifle the sound. As Ali turns his gaze towards them, Sara's expression undergoes a dramatic transformation. A sweet, innocent smile graces Sara's lips as she meets Ali's eyes, a stark contrast to her earlier conspiratorial demeanor. Under the bright daylight of the school playground, Ali proudly presents his favorite toy car. His eyes sparkle with youthful exuberance as he holds out the cherished toy. With a trusting smile, Ali carefully hands the toy car to Sara. Sara accepts the car, her small fingers wrapping around the cool metal. A subtle gleam of mischief dances in Sara's eyes as she receives the gift. Sara accepts the car, her eyes gleaming with a hint of mischief. In the classroom, Sara is the center of a whirlwind of youthful energy, surrounded by children, including Lena and Omar. Sara, holding Ali's toy car aloft, exudes mischief, her eyes sparkling with playful intent. She launches into a joke, perfectly mimicking Ali's voice, her playful performance igniting a spark of anticipation in the children. The classroom explodes with unrestrained laughter, their joyous noise echoing off the walls. Beneath the solitary shade of a tree, Ali sits alone on the bustling playground, a portrait of dejection. In the distance, Sara and her friends erupt in laughter, their words like pointed arrows aimed directly at Ali. His gaze is fixed on his empty hands, a palpable sense of loss radiating from his forlorn figure. The phantom weight of his missing toy car intensifies his isolation, deepening the shadows around him. In the vibrant chaos of the school playground, Ali sits alone, a solitary figure on a bench near the swings. Hamza spots Ali, his brow furrowed with concern, sensing the solitude radiating from his friend. Driven by empathy, Hamza approaches Ali, his footsteps measured and deliberate. Hamza settles onto the bench beside Ali, his presence a silent offer of companionship. A warm, comforting smile spreads across Hamza's face, a beacon of reassurance in the bustling playground. Hamza places a gentle hand on Ali's shoulder, a physical connection meant to convey unspoken support and understanding. In a dimly lit room, shadows stretch and twist, mirroring the unspoken conflict between Hamza and Ali. Hamza stands firm, his silhouette a stark contrast against the faint light, his gaze unwavering. Ali faces Hamza, his expression clouded with a sorrow that deepens the room's somber atmosphere. Hamza's voice cuts through the silence, a beacon of hope in the oppressive dimness.
"Don't be sad, Ali," Hamza says, his words a gentle offering of solace. "A true friend never makes you feel small. They lift you up," Hamza declares, his words echoing with profound sincerity.
Sunlight bathes the classroom as the teacher surveys the rows of students. Seated a few rows behind Ali, Sara subtly mirrors his raised hand and anxious expression. A ripple of suppressed laughter moves through a small group of students, a silent echo of Sarah's mockery. The classroom air crackles with unspoken tension as Ali remains oblivious, his focus fixed forward. The classroom buzzes with the innocent chatter of children as sunlight paints the air with dancing dust motes. Sara sits alone at her desk, head bowed, a shadow of sadness enveloping her small figure. The teacher stands near, concern etched deeply into their features, a silent vigil over Sara's distress.
With gentle authority, the teacher's words cut through the classroom din. Sara, that is unkind. Friends should respect and support each other, not tear each other down.
Inside the stark principal's office, Sara sits defeated, her shoulders slumped with regret. Across the polished desk, the principal leans forward, his face a study in stern disappointment.
The principal's voice cuts through the silence, a grave pronouncement. Sara, your behavior has been unacceptable. His gaze intensifies, driving home the weight of his words. It's crucial to understand the impact your actions have on others. The principal's final words hang heavy in the air, a call to conscience. Empathy and kindness are not just words. They are the foundation of a respectful community.
In an atmosphere thick with unspoken tension, Principal stands resolute, his face etched with disappointment. Sara stands before him, head bowed, her posture radiating remorse. Her silence hangs heavy in the air, amplifying the weight of her actions. Principal's voice cuts through the quiet, firm yet tinged with regret.
Your actions have consequences, Sara, he states, the words echoing the gravity of the situation. True friendship requires honesty and respect. Principal adds, a plea for understanding in his tone.
The school playground echoes with joyful laughter as children swarm around a burgeoning sandcastle. Ali and Hamza lead the charge, their small hands shaping the sandy fortress with focused determination. Apart from the cheerful chaos, Sara stands alone, her face shadowed by regret. A hesitant step forward marks her slow approach, a silent plea to join the carefree revelry. Sara and Ali stand face to face, their figures stark against the mundane backdrop of a coffee shop or park. The air crackles with the weight of unspoken words, a silent testament to their fractured bond. Sara's eyes search Ali's, reflecting a turbulent mix of regret and fragile hope. Her voice, soft yet earnest, breaks the silence, carrying the burden of past mistakes.
Ali, I'm sorry for being a bad friend. She confesses, her vulnerability laid bare. A plea hangs in the air, desperate for a second chance. Can we start over?
In an unknown place, a profound calm envelops two figures, Ali and Sara. The atmosphere is serene, undisturbed by the world outside. Ali turns towards Sara, his expression gentle and reassuring.
It's okay, Sara, but true friends are always kind and honest, Ali says, his words echoing in the tranquil space.
Sunlight bathes the school playground as Ali, Hamza and Sara gather, an unspoken tension hanging in the air. Hamza and Ali share a light-hearted moment, their camaraderie a stark contrast to the space between Ali and Sara. Sara watches them, a subtle mix of longing and hesitation etched on her face. Ali glances at Sara, a flicker of uncertainty in his eyes, mirroring the delicate path of forgiveness. The playground buzzes with life, yet the trio remains in their own quiet sphere, navigating the complexities of friendship and reconciliation. Ali and Hamza stroll across the sun-drenched school playground, their laughter echoing in the open air. Their animated chatter fills the space between them, a testament to the bond of true friendship. The camera lingers on their radiant, smiling faces, capturing the pure joy of camaraderie. They move in sync, their steps light and carefree, as they approach the school building. Each shared glance and burst of laughter paints a vivid picture of genuine connection and mutual respect.